Hello, welcome to MyBedFrames. Today I'd like to show you our Kylie model featuring cooling memory foam. Manufactured in our own workshops and delivered by ourselves, we don't vacuum pack this model, therefore not losing any of the memory foam properties that can happen when vacuum packed. This 11-inch deep mattress has a medium feel. We firstly take a 6-inch block of high-density hypoallergenic base foam to give us the foundation of the mattress. We then layer and bond 2 inches of medium feel cool hypoallergenic memory foam for enhanced comfort. The top surface is then added, and for this we use 2 inches of airflow soft memory foam. The airflow keeps the coolness to the mattress, so you can enjoy a noise-free, natural sleep with enhanced support. This mattress has 7 comfort zones, created from softer zones that cushion your shoulders and firmer support zones to perfectly align your spine. These give an excellent support, as well as allowing for hips and shoulders to gently sink into the mattress. These will also eliminate any roll together if one person is heavier than the other. The mattress cover is made from our exclusive 3D soft touch tensile knitted fabric, which is exceptionally absorbent, removing moisture to ensure that you awake from your deep slumber fully refreshed.